Hello everyone, and today I'll be showing you how to wear multiple face accessories on Roblox. So one of the users asked me how to do that. So let's do that. So first of all, you have to go to roblox.com and it will take you to the home page. But before that, you have to log in, and then after login, now you have to click on this menu button and go to this avatar option. So basically, guys, if we go to accessories and face accessories, so my avatar is not loading. Let it load first. So I just let me change the skin color. Wear the hair over as well. Yeah. Once I done, and let me go back to the face accessories. So right now I have only wasted two face accessories, and so basically, if you want to wear multiple face accessories, what you need to do? Let me load it first. Yeah. Once you guys, if you're trying to select multiple accessories, face accessories, it will unselect the previous one automatically. So how can we select multiple things? You just need to go to the new tab and search for BT Roblox and go to open this, basically open this extension and just install from here. Once you install, you just need to go to three dot and go to extensions and manage extensions and make sure it is enabled in the background. Once it is enabled, go back to your web page of your Roblox and refresh your website. So now you can see that this menu list has been updated with some new options. So now you go back to again hair and body, or sorry, of accessories, and go to face accessories. If I try to select multiple things, you can see that I can select now two accessories. So if I have multiple accessory, I would have done that. So right now I don't have that. So guys, you can do this method to select multiple face accessories on Roblox. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.